Hello everyone, welcome back to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Hey, how are you all doing? If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it so you don't miss out any video from my channel. Today in this full video I will show you how to fix Do Not Disturb not working on iOS 16. Please watch the full video to fix the issue. First of all, check your Do Not Disturb settings. So now go to settings and check that the feature is turned on. So now first of all, launch the settings app on your iPhone. Here, scrolling down and tap on focus. Then here tap on Do Not Disturb. So here, as you can see, Do Not Disturb option is turned off. So turn it on. So make sure that the feature is turned on, and also check the settings for the feature to ensure that it's configured properly. Next, the second solution is to restart your iPhone. So simply go to settings, then tap general. Next here, tap on shutdown and restart your iPhone. So that's it is. Next, the third solution is to update your iOS software. So please connect with mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. Then go for iOS software. Okay, now go to settings app on your iPhone. Next here, tap on general. Now click on software update and update software to latest version. So that's how you can fix the issue by update your iOS software. Now the last solution is to reset your iPhone setting. First of all, launch the settings app on your iPhone. In settings app, tap on general. Then here scrolling down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next tap on reset and again tap on reset all settings. Then enter your passcode and again tap on reset all settings to confirm it. So that's how easily you can fix the issue that Do Not Disturb not working on iOS 16. If you still have any query, you can ask me in comment section. Please do like, comment and share this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.